Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the acids and bases indicators. How can we define the acid and base and indicators? What are the indicators? What is the use of indicators? Substances are used to test the whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators are changed their color when we are added to a solution containing a acidic or basic substance. Okay, already we know the natural indicators also. And as well as we have to discuss the name of acids and bases and their sources. From the acids and bases we have to learn up to there. And today I am going to discuss about the natural indicators. Already we have discussed yesterday, last class, indicators, and today I am going to discuss about the natural indicators. What are the natural indicators is there? Okay, turmeric, litmus paper, China rose petals, these are the naturally occurring indicators. Okay, now we have to discuss about the natural indicators. Natural indicators. So what are the natural indicators? First one is a litmus. Natural indicator, first one, litmus. Litmus. Litmus is a natural dye. Litmus is a natural dye. It is a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. This litmus is most commonly we have to use natural indicator. It is extracted from lichens. It has a purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Okay, generally the litmus paper is available as a red and blue litmus paper. Okay, the most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. The most commonly used indicator is litmus. Where we have to obtain this litmus indicator? It is extracted from lichens. It is extracted from lichens. It has a purple color in distilled water. It has a purple color in distilled water. In distilled water, it has a purple color. And when we are added to an acidic solution, this litmus, when we are added to the acidic solution, it turns red, and when we are added to basic solution, it turns blue. Okay, when we are added to an acidic solution, it turns red. it turns red, and when we are added to the basic solution, it turns blue. Okay, that means in distilled water there is no any color change. That means in distilled water it is a purple color. In distilled water it is a purple color, and when we are added to the acidic solution it turns red, and when we are added to the basic solution it turns blue. Okay, this litmus paper, it is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips of paper. It is available as a solution and form of strips of paper also, known as litmus paper. Generally it is available as a red and blue litmus papers. Okay, in the market it is available as a red and blue litmus papers. Okay, now it is available in the form of a solution, or in the form of strips of paper, or in the form of strips of paper, known as litmus paper. Generally it is available as a red and blue litmus. Generally it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Okay, generally it is available as a red and blue litmus paper. This is about the litmus. Litmus is a natural dye. Okay, in the market we can obtain the litmus papers as a red and blue. Market available red litmus papers and blue litmus paper. Okay, that means the red litmus paper changes the for suppose acidic solution is there, means the paper changes their color into the red. When we are dipped the litmus paper into the acidic solution, that paper turned, for suppose blue litmus paper, if we turn into red, means that is called acidic solution. Okay, if we take the one solution, we don't know that solution is acidic or basic, then what can we do? How can we identify that solution is acidic or basic? We have to take the litmus paper. For suppose if we take the blue litmus paper, means that blue litmus paper you can dip it into the solution, then it will be changes to red. For suppose blue litmus paper changes into the red, means it is a acid. For suppose red litmus paper changes into blue, means it is a base. So suppose red litmus paper changes into the base.